All right, how's it going, YouTube? So back once again, got some more goodies from RC Speed Monster. As y'all know, I needed a front splitter for the Limitless. I needed a universal Willy bar for the Exceed. I'm gonna see if I can make this one work. If not, we'll see what we can make this work on. This is the amount for the, y'all see that right there, right? Forgot what he called that, but it's like a nice style. Look, I think I have one on my infraction as well, but I'm about to put this on the Limitless, the front splitter. I got some body locks. This is the new giveaway Willy bar. This is the shorter style. This is the one I was telling y'all about. As y'all know, mine is the longer. I believe mine's is, I get a measuring tape and measure this shortly, but I believe mine's is either 9 or 10 inches long. I got these for the bead-lock wheels. I'm gonna put this on my son's car. This is for my son's car. Shout out to Jeff from RC Speed Monsters, man. I appreciate you. Thanks for sponsoring my son's car with all the goodies. He also has his Willy bar up there, so that's why I got a new one for the giveaway. I like this one, but we're gonna keep that for the giveaway. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple of these pieces on. This one, we're gonna wait to do that, but I'm gonna put a couple of these pieces on, and then I'll get back to you. I just want to show you some stuff, and I'll probably put these on my son's car as well. So all right, guys, stay tuned. All right, YouTube, just want to show you what my front splitter looks like. So I also thinking this is why I was getting pulling, because it sat like this on my car. It's not straight, so when it hits one side, it will hit it more than it will the other. So I'm guessing, this is just a guess anyway, that this was having some interference with aerodynamics. So I want to get rid of that, and I'm going to put this one up there. So just wanted to show y'all that. All right, YouTube, so we got on the front splitter. Everything seems to be lined up real nice. It's looking good. I also put in the body holders, holding in the side of the body right here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the underneath. I did put on ESC mount, chassis brace. So that's how that's set. I put the cat pack up here. For now, this is what I'm going to be running, because I'm only going to be running 6S. And when I get the new XLX2, I'll just put that in here, because it fits right in this same tray perfectly. So that's how I got that set up. Let me show you how the other side. That's how that side's set up to hold the body on that side. I believe that was everything I just put on. The splitter, the brace, and the side mount. I had put these on before already, and the rears. I just connected those with those now. So everything is synced. We will be getting this out, so I'm gonna probably do a run with GRPs. I still have the same gearing I hit 101 with, but I just want to see the difference. I'm not sure if I'll gear up a tooth or two, run it with the GRPs and then with the foams just to see the difference. But y'all stay tuned for that. But I'm liking the look of it now. Everything is more cleaned up. Got to take this out. This is where the ESC was sitting before. So I just got to get some tie straps, zip ties, however y'all want to call them. Up here just to tighten up some things. But as far as everything else, it's set pretty good. I fixed my ride height, so the next thing to do is just run the car. So y'all stay tuned for that. Hopefully we can get it out this week. If it's a couple nice days, I'll do a quick series, not a whole bunch of videos, just something quick to show the difference between the GRPs and the foams. Y'all stay tuned for that. I do like running the GRPs on the Limitless. As far as any other car I could run the foams on, I could run the foams on this as well, but I like to run the GRPs on the Limitless. It seems suitable and it's more stable to me. But anyway, we'll still do the run with the same setup. We'll just change the tires, so y'all stay tuned for that video. All right, guys, I just got to throw my son's B-locks on. I'll probably show you that in the end clip. And figure out the Willy bar situation. It can go on this, but I'm not going to put it on that. So y'all stay tuned. All right, thanks, guys. All right, guys, this is just a quick tip. I was just wanted to show just in case, because I didn't. But see how the body's out right now, so I just lift it up. that, and it literally just drops right into those side pieces just like that. The body's locked right now into that. I also have these same pieces on my Limitless, and the GT body fits right in my side trays right here. I'll probably show y'all a look at that, but for right now, I like that. All right, just a quick look at the spikes I put on. I'm liking these. I have them on my infraction. I am missing one for the infraction because I messed it up, so I got to get another one. So what I did was borrow one from this, and I'm going to put 4 in the infraction since it's for drag racing. I have 3 on these for speed runs for now. I'm missing one up there. This is the one I messed up, but I got another one right here to put on. But this is going to go in the infraction, and then we'll get another one on there. If not, I'll try to correct this and get it up there. If not, you'll see them soon. All right, guys, got my Sun car done. Just put his the bead locks on in the back. It's on the other side as well. Looks good with the chrome in the front. I'm gonna get it out for testing, so y'all stay tuned for that this week or this weekend coming up. But the top 10 list, and we're trying to do a points race, so y'all stay tuned for that. We're gonna situate that, and I'm also giving away the Willy Bar. I was gonna wait till 2K subscribers, but I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. But I'm gonna give this away, and probably something else. I'm not sure. Maybe a few things. Who knows? All right, guys, you just gotta stay tuned for that. I'm not gonna just say when that is, but stay tuned for that. And thank you guys for tuning in.